How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So again, we have another diesel video for you. I see some boxes in the bed of his truck. What's the plan for this video, huh?
Taillights.
As you can see, he already got one of the stock ones out. Is this how they look stock?
Yep. The stock turds right here.
Are they tinted? Or are they just faded and old?
I don't know.
Well, why don't you show them those brand new ones? Oh yeah. It's gonna look real good.
Yep.
Now, are you gonna take out this old stock one first? Or are you putting in the new one on that side first?
We'll do one old one and one new one.
And then you can do a comparison?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds like a plan. So let's get to installing this one right now. Should go pretty quick, I think. Hopefully. No? Why not? Is it plug and play like your old headlights on the old truck? Which I will link a tag to right here. One of the very first diesel videos on my channel. And I think we've grown a lot since then. So if you guys go back and watch that, all the new subscribers, cut us some slack because we definitely learned a lot since then. But we're getting on to a new truck, a new build. Lots of things coming for the rig, right?
Yeah.
You want to give them a hint on anything? Or do they just got to subscribe and stay tuned?
Just subscribe.
You heard them. Let's get to installing this first taillight right now. What are we talking about here? So what's the first step?
You know, unplug the bulb. Plug it on the hair, you know what I'm saying?
English.
You know what I'm saying?
So this little pluggy, that goes into right there. Just pushes right in. As you can see, hold up that wire. The end of the bulb and the end of that wire are the same. So this just plugs right into there. And then this old, like, what is this fancy doohickey?
That's an LED, I think. I don't know.
That just plugs right into that slot, hopefully. So
yeah.
Let's hook it up and hope for the best. Hopefully no electrical fires. Oh, plug right in. Why couldn't the headlights be like that?
Wow. Wow.
Insert SpongeBob time card right here.
One eternity later.
Never good in the hood.
All right, you can put that other one in now.
No, we're not.
Why not?
Oh, look at it. I don't know. Is that puppy supposed to be sealed at the bottom?
I don't know.
Yeah, there ain't no way. That puppy just came right out of there.
All right, guys, we're back a long time ago from the point of the last clip. So do you want to explain why it took so long?
Well, boys, the old ones didn't fit.
They didn't fit.
Yeah. Had to send them back and buy some new ones.
It's probably about a week or two later. As you can see, he put the stock taillights back in. And we're gonna try attempt 2 with a different styled taillight. So you wanna unbox them and show them the new style? Take 2. Oh yeah. Look fancy.
Yep.
So we're gonna get to work on putting these ones in, trial number 2, and wish us luck. Hopefully these ones will fit in, so let's get to work. And at least you already know how to take them out since you had this out once already.
Yeah. Can't get any quicker than that, boys. I ain't even taking plastic off. Might as well see if they fit first, huh?
What's that big box? Where's that go?
You glue that puppy into here.
Oh.
Like my old
So, okay, so on the problem on the old one, this part was pretty much like inside of the light, and when we tried to like twist in the main part, it was hitting against this. So that's a good thing that that's actually external, and it should make this install a lot easier. What? Is it going or not?
Oh,
Boys. Did it lock?
Yeah.
I got the first light in, now I gotta get this second one in there. Because that was the problem we had before. We couldn't even like cinch that part down all the way. Like there was a big gap right there. So it's a good thing that it's sealed up properly on this light. All right, you want me to hold this and you go test it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna set it up. I mean, it looks pretty good, but...
Come on now, hold this puppy.
All right, just because it looks good, hopefully it works good. Don't let me blow up. Hopefully he wired it right. Catch on fire. All right, is that like a brake?
Yeah.
It lit up. Turn the running light on. They're on. I mean, the only thing you gotta do is test the reverse, but I mean, they lit up.
Go step on the brake.
Oh, you want to see it now?
Well, yeah. Go step on the brake.
Oh, you're putting your back in the shop. Stand
Oh,
on
wow. Not the clutch. I'll need the truck in the crate.
How you do it?
Woo. There we go, boys.
What do you say, woo doggy?
Woo doggy.
All right, so we're gonna get this one buttoned up and actually like cinched down to the truck, bolted onto the truck. We'll give you a comparison between the new one and the stock one, and then we'll throw that other one on there. So let's get to work and wrap up these taillights right now. Got the new light and stock light. Brake pedal. Give him the running light. Running light. Now give him a brake. Yeah. Looks good. So now we're gonna work on this light. Put you guys on the time lapse. Knock that out real quick. It's already getting started on it. Get the crack-a-lackin'.
Crack it back. Ain't nobody need that.
You want to be any more gentle with it?
Ain't nobody need them.
What if one of our subscribers want those nice old pristine classic crusty lights?
Pay for shipping and $5 you can have them.
You better be picking that up. We don't endorse littering.
But we ain't done after this tail light, folks.
What's next?
Third brake light.
Good old third brake light.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that? Those weren't in the last video.
Yeah. Horsepower.
Oh. And if you guys think they look a little familiar, then you run them on your old truck.
Yeah.
Oh. Had to carry them over to the new rig. Look pretty good on there.
Oh, yeah.
Now, is that third brake light going on in this video?
Sure is.
Oh, I better get to work. Taking a long time here.
Yeah. What's going on here? Jesus, Jiminy Christmas. I think we're good, boys. She's on there for good, boys.
Yep. Just didn't test the reverse lights yet. Hot dog.
Yeah.
So it's just 2 screws on there. Unclip the light, plug that one back in. Plug in the new one.
There's the old third.
Then we put it with the...
Nice and yellow.
Nice. You think you should clean that up a little bit? You don't want water leaking down in there.
Got the foam.
Oh.
All that foam.
Nice gasket.
Oh man, I hope this puppy fits.
Oh, lit up. Should it be lighting up already?
Nah.
Why is it lit up already? Maybe you have it on backwards.
It wants to live.
Well, that's the only way it could go on.
Well, at least it works.
That's the only way it could clamp on, ain't it?
I guess.
But the truck's off. Why is it on?
Technical difficulties. We'll figure out the wiring and be back with you whenever we're ready to install it. Hopefully we're not putting the stock one back on because that would suck. So we're going to figure that out and come back to you. All right, well, we screwed it in. It looks good. Ran through all the headlight switches and everything, but it's still lit up. So going back to trial 2 with the third brake light, just like with the tail lights. So we're probably going to end up having to put the stock one back in for tonight until we figure out what's wrong with it. Well, now what? We plugged in the stock one and now the light lit up on there. But why didn't this side light up?
Why are they even lit?
I don't know. Maybe plugging in the LEDs triggered a wire or something, like a circuit. All right, so I think we came up with a solution. You want to explain what you're doing?
Well, both of them lights up. So, we'll put the new one in and just not plug it in. Huh?
Until you figure out how to wire it correctly.
Call a diesel mechanic tomorrow.
I think you should call an electrician.
Diesel mechanic knows everything. More than me. Definitely more than me. Perfect!
Well, it looks good.
It looks good. This is all that matters.
Alright guys, with that being said, we just wrapped up, cleaned up all the tools, got the tail lights in, put the third brake light in there, but not wired up yet. We'll get to that eventually. But I think we're going to wrap up the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate the support. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that little notification bell. I'd like to try something out here. Maybe you can vouch for this. That by the end of the year, right as 2020 rolls around, I'd like to reach 2,500 subscribers because we're just a few away from 2,000, which is absolutely crazy. What do you say to that?
Ooh, doggy. Thank you, boys.
Yeah.
Women. So.
And kids. Anyways, so guys, share my channel with your friends, and when we hit that 2,500 mark, we'll do another little giveaway, a little bit bigger than the last one, so make sure you guys are subscribed, and when we hit that number, we'll do something special for you guys. What do you say to that?
Yes, sir.
So the tail lights look awesome. You happy with them?
Yeah.
Got those Cummins C's in there. That one's backwards. Right there. C for Cummins. Or for rolling coal. Anyways, you want to say anything to conclude the video?
Negative.
Oh. So final conclusion, ending the video here. End it as the usual. Always accelerate. Don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one. Oh, come on. Nasty.